Hi guys, I have a 85-inch TV here from Xiaomi. Of course, it doesn't matter because today I'll be talking about how far you should be sitting, yeah, to look at the 85-inch TV from your couch, okay? I used to watch a 60-inch TV from the same distance. So the problem now is that with a big TV now, should I be still watching from the same distance? Yeah. Uh, to be honest, when I started to have this, I felt a bit overwhelmed. Yeah, looking at this big size TV and having the same distance. But after a while, I felt it's okay, it's still not as bad as I think. All I felt is that it's a bit too bright because of the mini LED, obviously. So I would turn off the lights, and I will also, have the adaptive light on so that it will change accordingly. Then after a short while, I think I'm getting used to it. The distance, yeah, starting from here, I think there's about six half a feet here, yeah, 6 inch, 6 inch, and looking at how many tiles here. Simple, yeah. I'll just look at these tiles here. 1, 2, 2 feet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the way I'm sitting will be 8 feet away. Yeah, 8 feet away. Yeah, let me just sit here, same distance. This is my eye. Yeah, so I think this is just nice, and it's not really close because 8 feet is just good enough. Yeah. Just click on one. I've been watching this for a few episodes now, and it's a great show. Yeah, the brother sons. I don't think it's very far away. Yeah, I don't think it's very near as well, and perfectly fine. If you think it's too big, yeah, if you're going up close, then it's big. Yeah, look at this. My hand is definitely smaller than their faces. Yeah, so when I go about 8 feet away, it's just fine. Yeah, it's just fine. So for those who are thinking of a big TV and you're scared that it's too big and then you will affect your viewing pleasure, or you think you have a headache after watching it for a while, that's just because you have a very bad what do you call this, resolutions, or bad sources of video, which is only showing you a lesser than HD type of graphics. Yeah, then it will make you headache a bit. If you're watching Netflix getting 4K, you won't get any problems at all, trust me. Yeah, I've been watching it for almost 2 weeks now. It's just fine. Yeah, I don't get any headaches at all. And provided the TV is good, yeah, the motion is just perfectly well. It's not, you won't feel that it's a bit, the jerks are not there. Everything is smoothly transition. So I think no problem watching a big TV in such a distance. Yeah, 8 feet, 8 feet away, and it's just great. Yeah, 85-inch is not too big, trust me. It's just like having your iPad up close or your handphone really close to you. Why I'm getting the 85-inch and not bigger than that? That's because you live in most apartments or condominiums can only get an 85-inch. Yes, if you're putting in a 100-inch, you have to hang it from the balcony up. Yeah. So I guess that's why most of the people are selling only up to 85 inches TV. Yeah. So if you're landed, if you are staying a landed house, bungalow, no problem. Yeah, just get a 100-inch, no problem. But I can't. Yeah, I can only have 85-inch maximum. That 85-inch is not really that big at all. Just go ahead and buy this. Yeah, because you do not want to buy a 65, a 75, and then you regret later not being able to buy the biggest one. Yeah, because you will need to unmount this and then you bring it somewhere else and then you buy a bigger one. It's just a waste of time. Yeah. Nowadays, 85-inch 4K TV, of course, not the mini LED type. Yeah, it's about, I think, 5,000-6,000. Yeah, depending on the brands. Yeah, 6,000-7,000 ringgit. after you get the discounts and so on. Yeah. So I get mine about 6,000 plus. It's a mini LED, but I directly import it from China, so it's a bit different story altogether. I don't have any warranty for this, so it depends on how you want it. Yeah, I risk having no warranty at all, but you guys can just buy the Malaysian or your own local stores to get the warranty. Mini LED will cost me around 13 to 14,000 ringgit. Yeah, there's quite a lot of difference. I think it's about double the price. If it's not a mini LED, just a 4K, a normal 4K 85 inch is about 6 to 7,000 ringgit. Yep. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you can afford to get an 85 inch and you are thinking whether it's too big for you or not, I'm telling you it's not too big. Eventually you will get used to it. Alright, thanks a lot and have a good day. Bye.